The 2027 Ferrari Luce is a real scandal and a coup for the legendary Italian brand. This is the first mass-produced electric supercar in the history of the brand, whose premiere caused heated controversy among fans of the brand. The name of the model itself is symbolic. In Italian, luce means light, hinting at a new era for Ferrari. The exterior of the car became the main cause of disagreement. The design was handled by a duo of industry stars, Sir Joni Ive, former Apple chief designer, and Mark Newsom. The result was very unusual, a long and low four-door fastback with a smooth, almost teardrop-shaped body without sharp edges. Due to its minimalism and streamlining, the novelty was jokingly nicknamed the iPhone on wheels or Pebble on the web. The aerodynamics here are excellent. The windshield smoothly merges into the hood, and the wipers in the non-working position hide along the pillars without disturbing the body lines. There's impressive power hidden under the hood, or rather, under the cabin floor. 4 electric motors, one per wheel, produce a total of 1,035 horsepower. The dynamics are amazing. Acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour takes only 2.5 seconds, and to 200 kilometers per hour, less than 7 seconds. The maximum speed is limited to 310 kilometers per hour. The energy is stored by a huge 122 kilowatt-hour battery, which provides a range of about 530 kilometers. You can charge very quickly thanks to the powerful 800-volt system. But Ferrari has not forgotten about its roots. Engineers have figured out how to return the live sound to the electric car. A special sensor at the rear axle removes the vibrations of the motors, processes them, and transmits them both inside and outside. And the steering lobes have received a new function. The left one regulates recovery, simulating engine braking, and the right allows you to switch between torque levels. The Salon was a real breakthrough for the brand. For the first time in the history of Ferrari, there were 5 full-fledged seats. There was a comfortable sofa for 3 people in the back. The interior strikes you with a combination of cool aluminum switches and modern touchscreens. And the trunk volume of 597 liters was a record for the brand. Sales are scheduled to start at the end of this year, and the first cars will reach customers in October. The price starts from 550,000 euros, and the model will be released on the North American market in the spring of 2027. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.